I'm working as a head of sustainability in Easia Travel, and I'm based in Myanmar. Single-use plastic bottles are a major problem in all over the world. We want to address this issue by introducing the Easia refill bottles in all our destinations. Instead of using plastic, clients can refill their bottles with clean and fresh drinking water on refill stations located on multiple locations all of our destinations.
You're not near a refill station? Don't worry. We make sure that your refill station is mobile and always travels with you. We provide a refill station in all our vehicles, car, buses and tuk-tuk, and even along our trekking and cycling tours to make sure that travelers stay hydrated, doesn't matter where they are.
The beauty of Asia needs to be preserved. We are very proud to offer you a solution to reduce the usage of single-use plastic bottles. If you'd like to find out more about this project, please check out the video link below. Thank you.